Guys, you know very well, in 19th century, that means late 19th century, India, it was under British rule. So here India, it was simultaneously, it was a British colony. So raw materials, those were supplied to European countries. You can say a term, drain of wealth, by Britain or British East India Company. So raw materials are cotton, jute, indigo, opium. Those were the raw materials British they used to supply from Asian countries, and the center point was India. Apart from India, other Asian countries, some raw materials. Apart from raw materials, the spices, tea and coffee seeds, they were supplying to European countries and they used to sell in high rate, high price. So as the same, the European countries, those who settled down in America and some territories of America during that time became the colonies, French colony, Portuguese colony, Dutch colony, Spanish colony, Belgian colony. They started supplying the resources of America to distant lands of the world, Australia, New Zealand, even to Asia. So with the help of technology, modern technology, industrialization, raw materials were supplied. It was produced in the factory. Once again, after producing, that means it has become a product. So they used to supply the products to the other lands, that means European countries, Asian countries, American countries, Australia, New Zealand, distant land. And the laborers, the flow of supplying the laborers simultaneously, it was going on. Even from India, Indians, and from Asia, the Chinese, they were also sent to the distant land as the laborers, and they are known as the indentured laborers. Indentured means bonded laborers. And those bonded laborers, they were supplied by some agents, through some agents. The agents is used to tempt those laborers. They used to lure those laborers. Fake promise that you will get good shelter, you will get good wage, you will be on good wage, your lifestyle will be more comfortable rather than your own native place. So you can feed yourself and your family members also. But when the laborers, they reached the spot and they started working under their employers, the scenario was totally different. Disillusionment took place when they faced the reality. Their life was miserable. They were exploited, they were crushed, exploited in low wage because they had to sign bond for fixed time, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 1 year. This much of wage you will get, not a single penny apart from this wage, fixed wage. So their life was filled with misery, despair, distress. This was the scenario during that time. After colonialization or after colonialism, all over the world, not only in Asia or in our country, all over the world, because of the imperial state or imperialism. So the laborers ultimately, gradually, they were accustomed, or we can say they were compelled to accustom with the system of that distant land. They were no more strangers, they were no more aliens. They became the inhabitants of the respective country or respective region, and they started adopting the culture, the cuisine, the food habit, the lifestyle of the respective country, and they had their own culture also simultaneously, their own festival. They used to celebrate their own festival according to their own style and according to their own way. And then they became the inhabitants of that country.